Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video I will teach you how to set the call ringtone in your WhatsApp application. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. You only have to do is click the three dot on the upper right side on your screen and click setting. In setting, find the notification. Click notification. In notification, scroll down and find the calls. So okay, you can set your ringtone. So click ringtone. So okay guys, in ringtone you can set by custom or phone ringtone. So okay guys, in custom you can click here and select from your music in your memory or save music. So okay, after you select, in my example, okay, go back, and another one is the phone ringtone. Okay, you can select the phone ringtone or set the phone ringtone in your call in WhatsApp. So okay, there are many sound here. Scroll down, and after you select the ringtone from your phone, so okay, go back, and now you set the calls ringtone. So okay guys, that's it, and if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, thank you for watching.